Hey guys, Deano here from Tristano-Matic, and I'm still here in the beautiful BORACAY Island. We're on Station 3, my accommodation just behind me, inland about 20 metres. Of course, we've got Station 2, I've done a vlog on that. But today, I'm going to head up to Station 1, right up the other end, and go and have a look at that. So let's go, off to Station 1. Voila, here we are at Station 1. Oh mate, what are you fishing for? Fish. Yeah, little fish? Oh good. I suppose, what are you fishing for? Fish. That's a good answer. Oh, you got one there. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh wow. Huh? More. Yeah? Oh, little mate. You got a few there?
Banana.
Okay, and what's this one called? What's this?
Mol.
Okay. Very good. Good for eating?
Yeah.
Good for eating?
Bugao.
Okay. Yeah. Did you catch these with the net or with this? With net? Net. Okay.
Tiliketok, Babsa.
Okay, many different ones. Well, there you go. There's the big fisherman out here at Station 1 at BORACAY. Cheers, buddy.
Okay.
Have a good day. So let's get out back on the beach. Go and have a look, a bit of a walk along Station 1, see what they got, eh? Johnny's Bar. It would have been around this area. I'm thinking years ago when I was here with Dad, I think it's really hard to get my bearings. But I reckon it would have been somewhere in that area was sort of where we used to hang out. And then we went inland a little bit to our accommodation. But as I said in a previous vlog, everything has changed so much. Pretty much impossible. So hey, when I get home I might try and see if I can find some old photos. There's Superman. Hey, the Man of Steel. See if I can find some old photos, and maybe I'll be able to connect up exactly where I was on the beach. If I can see any landmarks like maybe this thing here. So off we go, guys, on our little walk along here on Station 1 BORACAY. Got some cool little island over here. This you can see the little Christian statue there. So as far as I know, Philippines are predominantly Christian religion, so in the areas I've been anyway, so yeah, you'll see lots of crosses on the top of the hill way up there. You can see a cross, and they're quite religious people. There are of course other religions as in all countries, but as I say, the places I've been to, central and northern Philippines, it seems to be Christian that I see. So there you go. So far, walking along this section, seems to be a lot of construction in place. So I don't know if it's sort of, you know, to me looks a bit of an older area. So who knows, maybe way back this could have been the main hub. Might have been where I hung out. It's like we might have a pretty nice sort of resort in there. you can come down here, have a game of volleyball. So I saw a sign back there, and there was something in the paper that there was some big, like I don't know, some big animal, you know, seen on the island. Bit of a myth it is. So, but they do say to keep an eye out for anything like that. It gets sighted every now and then. It's like a Bigfoot thing, but I don't believe there's any truth in that. But anyway, a bit like the Loch Ness Monster or something, I think. But anyway, it's worth, you know, you never know. Casbah. That's where you go and rock the Casbah. Rock the Casbah. We don't like it. So I'm going to take a wild guess and say that, I don't know if it would be that hot, but there was a place I used to drink at all the time here about 25, 30 years ago. And I reckon it was around this area here. So I'm going to do a bit of a pan around, and hopefully if I can find an old photo, see if it links up with this at all. Could be that joint right there. Revamped a few times since then, probably. Now that's what I call a beautiful villa, right there. And then you can just whip out here and propose to your missus. Good all-round day there.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby.
Just me. Private. How
You
much
want a
is-
private or one?
Yeah, the private. How much is a private?
3.5.
3.5?
Yeah.
And what about if it's like not private?
Join other people,
Yeah.
maybe 2,000 peso.
Yeah, no worries. And it's on these ones, is it?
Yeah.
Is that Twilight?
Yeah?
Twilight, is it?
No? Twilight?
Yeah.
No.
Oh, not Twilight? What's Twilight? How much is Twilight like at when the sun goes down?
Start at 5, then until 5:30. Sun
Okay.
goes down.
No worries.
Yeah.
All right, I'll have a think. Thanks, man. So I'm still searching for that bloody Bigfoot, but nowhere to be seen. Found it. Big monkey. Big monkey. Big monkey. Well, I hate to complain ever about the heat because I come from Perth and it's cold there, but damn, it's hot. If only I could find a nice bit of water to go for a swim in. Yeah, well. And that's a wrap. So guys, there you go. That's a little look at Station 1 in Boracay. Now tomorrow we're heading off back on a little plane and we're heading off to El Nido. So that's it from Boracay, from 3-Star Nomadic. We'll catch you down the track. Deano, 3-Star Nomadic.
Hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right.